first stringy from the print head. Let's go. Okay, so I want to install Octoprint on this thing. But the thing is, I don't have a Raspberry Pi. So that is using this thing. So someone out there have already hacked this thing and installed Linux on this thing. So theoretically, you can install Octoprint on this thing running Linux. So this is a project called Armbian. Actually, there's already a fork on GitHub of people porting Armbian to the set-top box, so I don't really have to do any much work. So what the Sigma? Alright, now we're talking. Look at this, it's booting. Let's go. This thing is my first 3D modeling. I used Fusion 360 to model this, and as you guys can see, it's a storage for these guys. Oh wait, what? Okay, it's wrong. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so we are installing Octoprint, and this thing is yapping a lot of words. So as the main console, I'm using SSH, so yeah, it's just yapping a lot of words. Okay, so now I can just upload anything into the SD card and just print it right here. And yeah, it's just really good. And I have the printer right there, in case you're wondering why I am so excited to get Octoprint, because I don't want to get up and check for my print up there. Wow, very cool. This must be nice. I'm printing a holder for the Octoprint PCB and also the display right there. Welcome to my DIY CNC milling station. This is my trusty drill, and we're gonna put out holes, bigger holes in here. Bigger is better. Okay, I think I did a pretty good job. Look at that. Hell yeah. There it is. I have to make a few adjustments and still some screw from here. I will buy a new screw, but this will be fine for now.
You might be thinking, oh, I own a 3D printer. I should be able to make some suspicious stuff, right? Right?
Well, actually I did.
No, really though. What am I supposed to do? Besides all of that suspicious stuff, insert engineering. Like this is completely not stolen from Thingiverse. And this camera, that is completely stolen from Thingiverse. Ooh, look at this, what did it make? A cat watch.
Oh no, okay.
Do you want to know why did I make this? No? Okay. So the reason I made this is because I got curious by the fake Apple Watch. So I opened it, and I'm surprised to see that this thing is actually metal. Here, this is my MacBook, right? Oh, maybe this thing's some galvanized square steel. Okay, so these are the iteration that I have made into making this thing.
What? No way. No. Screen small.
Okay, I have put the black stuff in there. So what I need to do is just do that. Make sure the screen is working. Just press the screen. Just look at this difference. Just tell me. I mean, it's about the same thickness. It's about the same thickness, but just look at how much shorter it is. One thing I love about glass bed is it's just really easy to get off. So yeah, and the results is really flat and very reflective, unlike this, which is not reflective and whoa, that